you can call me Teacher Van. Did you understand?
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay, please stand up for a prayer. May I call on Princess Basok to lead the prayer?
Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom with love amidst me here, ever this day be at my side, to light and guard, to lure and guard. Amen. In the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Again, good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Van. Good morning, classmates. Good morning.
Okay, before you sit down, kindly pick up some pieces of papers under your chairs and arrange your chairs properly. If done, you may now take your seats. Okay. Before anything else, I would like to introduce our classroom rules here inside the classroom. First one, we need to respect the classmate and the teacher. We need to respect our classmates and especially the teacher. The second one is listen to the teacher. You need to listen so that you can answer properly and you can answer correctly. The third one is don't be noisy. When the teacher is talking, don't be noisy. The fourth one is participate. You need to participate in group activities so that you can answer correctly and you can answer easily. The fifth one is if you want to answer, raise your hand. If you have clarifications or answers, you need to raise your hand first. Understood?
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay. But before that, before we are going to tackle our new lesson, let's have first a quick review. Now, I have here a ball. Here is the instruction class. I will give it to John Mark, the first person in the first row. I will give it to him, and then when I start the music, John Mark will pass the ball to his classmate inside this fourth corner of the classroom. And then when the music stops, the one who is holding the ball is the one who will answer my questions. Did you understand?
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay. Please wait. Okay, July, please stand up. Here is your question. What was our lesson yesterday?
Based on how to repair simple gadgets.
Okay, very good. Let's give July 2 claps. 1, 2. Okay, for another question, start passing the ball. Okay, please stand up, princess. What is the importance of knowing how to repair simple things?
To be able to know how to repair.
Okay, very good. Please sit down. Let's give Princess 2 claps. 1, 2. Now, video class? Who will volunteer to answer? None? Okay, yes, July?
Recycling waste materials.
Yes, it is a recycled materials or recycling waste materials. Okay, I have here a table. Now, all you need to do, did you see the picture? Class, did you see that picture pasted in that area?
Yes,
Okay. All you need to do is to paste that corresponding picture in its corresponding column. Here, the first column is the metal. The second column is the plastic. Third is paper, and the fourth is wood. Now, all you need to do is to paste it where it is belong. Are we clear?
Yes,
Okay, who will volunteer to paste one picture first? Yes, Princess. Kindly get the picture and paste it to its corresponding column or area. Okay, I will help you. Okay, please sit down. Okay, class, is Princess Baso correct with her answer? Yes, very good, Princess. Okay, another one. Who will volunteer? Yes, John Mark. Okay, very good, John Mark. Is the answer of John Mark correct?
Yes,
Yes, it is. Oh, another one. Who will volunteer? Yes, July. Is the dog. Okay, is the answer of July correct? Yes, it is. Very good. For the last one, who will volunteer? Yes, Patrick. Okay, is the answer of Patrick correct, class? Yes, it is. Give hands to those. Give 5 claps to those who answer. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, based on the video presentation and the activity that we have been that I have been presented to you, what do you think? What do you think is our topic for today? No one? Okay, class. Our topic for today is all about recycling waste materials. But first, let's read first our learning objectives. Okay, class? Ready, set, read. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to identify common recyclable waste materials, reflect on the importance of recycling waste materials, and make a recyclable product using waste materials. Okay, now we will discuss what is the meaning of recycling. Who will read the definition of recycling? Yes, July.
Recycling is the process converting waste materials into new products to waste of potentially useful materials.
Okay, very good, July. Recycling daw is the process converting waste materials into new products to waste of potentially useful harmful materials. When we say recycling, it is the process of converting waste materials into a new product. For example of waste materials, we have the wood, the paper, the plastic, and the plastic bottle. Do you understand, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Further explanation, in recycling, during recycling a products, we can use, or recycling a materials, we can use the plastic bottle to be able to create, say for example, a plastic vase. We can make a plastic vase. For the wood, we can make a table. Very good. We can make a table using wood. How about the paper? We can make what? Flower. Very good. We can make a flower using the paper. And how about the can? The can or the metal. We can make kanang pandilig good sa mga flowers. And now we can make it like that. Now, moving on to recyclable waste materials. What is recyclable waste materials? Are those that can be collected, processed, and transformed into new products through recycling process. When we say recyclable waste materials, are those materials. What are those materials again? We have the wood, the paper, the plastic bottle, and the metal. Very good. Recyclable waste materials are those that can be collected. We can collect those waste materials to be able to transform it into new products like paper vase, paper flowers, plastic vase, and something. Okay, here is an example of plastic bottle. Okay, we have this plastic bottle. It is a kind of waste materials that can be recycled. Another one we have metal. Metal or cans. We can see cans in our environment. We can use this also in making a vase also. Now for the third one, we have wood. We can make recycled materials using wood. Like for example, table, chairs, and other purposes. And for the last one, we have paper. We can make a flower or something else that will need to use this paper. Are we clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry for that. Okay, class, please wait. Now, did you understand our lesson, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Since you understand, I will group you into two groups. From Prince to John Mark and July will be the group 1. From Princess down to Santino to Patrick will be the group 2. Okay, please go to your corresponding group. Form a circle, class. Form a circle. Okay. For the group 1, here is you need to do for the group 1, please listen. You will need to materials that can be recycled. So for example, the plastic, the plastic, the wood or paper or metal. And then write the procedure or list the procedure on how to make a new product on the waste material that you will be using. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For the group 2, here is what you're going to do. Think of one specific recycled product using the waste materials. But since we didn't have, okay, sorry. Okay, class, please wait. Okay, class. Okay, group 2. Since we didn't have enough materials, I'm gonna give you a specific waste materials that you are going to make a recycled new products. You will be using metal. Okay, all you need to do is to make new product using metal. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I will give you the rubric for this activity. Read the rubrics before starting the activity. Okay, for the group 1, here is your materials. For the group 2, and then here is your rubric, group 1. For the group 2, here is your materials and your rubrics. You can use the floor in making the product. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to do the activity. Your time starts now. Are you done, class? Class, are you done? Okay. Since you're done, please arrange the chairs properly. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Class, please wait. Okay, may I call on one representative of group 1 to represent their activity. Okay, who will volunteer? Yes, July.
First, cut the bottle plastic. Second, form into flower. Third, cut another plastic bottle to form a vase. Fourth, put the plastic flowers in the plastic vase and you can paint the recycled bottle.
Okay, very good, July. Let's give group 1 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Can I get the rubrics? Okay, since the group 1 has cooperation, has originality in their product, in their procedure, we will group 2. Who will represent your product? Okay, yes, Patrick, please. Okay, no laughing, class. Don't be noisy.
This is our finished product made of metal.
Okay, thank you very much, Patrick. Since their group is using metal to form this grater. It is called grater. We can grate cheese or coconuts in this product. Okay. Since group 2 has cooperation, everyone is cooperating, and there is an originality in their activity or their product, we will give group 2 10 points also. Okay, let's give 5 claps. Let's give 5 claps in our classmates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, since we are done the group activity, let's have a quiz time. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. I will give you an answer sheet. All you need to do is to answer what activity or questions indicate in this answer sheet. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Please pass it. Backward. Okay, I will read the instruction first. In your 1/2 crosswise, write true if the statement is right and write false if the statement is wrong. Answer it within 5 minutes. Understood? Okay, you may now start answering. Are you done, class? Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, since you're done, pass it forward. Okay, very good, class. Now, we will need to answer the question. Okay, please raise your hands if you want to answer. If I will read the instruction again. Answer true. Since we are answering this now, you need to answer true if the statement is if the statement is true rather, and if the statement is wrong, you need to answer false. Did you understand? Okay, for the question number 1, is recycling paper save trees? Who will answer? Is it true or false? Is recycling paper save trees? Yes, July?
False.
Why do you say it is false? Okay, thank you for answering, July. Recycling paper save trees is true. Since paper is made up from trees, if we are going to recycle papers, we can save a lot of trees. Understood? Understood, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for number 2, plastic bottles can only be recycled once. It can only be recycled once. Is it true or false? Yes, Patrick?
False.
Correct. It is false. Plastic bottles can be recycled twice or thrice depending on how you are going to recycle it. For the 3rd question, all types of plastic are equally recyclable. Who will volunteer to answer? All types of plastic are equally recyclable. Since no one, I will answer it. All types of plastic are not equally recyclable. Now, the answer is false because there is some plastic for the fourth one, recycling metal cans reduces air pollution. Is it true or false? Recycling metals can reduces air pollution. Is it true or false? Is it false? No, it is true. Because when we are recycling metal cans, it cannot be, it will help reduce cans in our environment, and it will make air freshen and will be able to prevent air pollution. Now for the last one, composting is a form of recycling for organic waste. Is composting a form of recycling organic waste? Organic waste are those waste from fruits, from the leaves. Is it composting is a form of recycling? No one? Okay. Is it true? Composting is also an example of recycling. Now, since we are done answering the quiz, let's have a recap on what did you understand, or this will test your knowledge on our lesson that we've discussed today. Okay, again, what was our lesson today? Yes, July?
Recyclable materials is very important because it is useful and can be displayed in our house.
Okay, thank you for answering. But it is not the correct answer. Okay, who else? Who else? Yes, Tinang? Or Princess Rother? What? Okay, give your idea. It is okay to be wrong. At least you try. It is recycling. Read. Recycling waste materials. Okay, please sit down, Princess. Okay, now we will have a individual activity class. Okay, please get your 1/2 crosswise. Okay, in your 1/2 crosswise, write a reflection about your insight or the importance of recycling waste materials. I will give you 2 minutes to answer. Are we clear? Okay, please start answering. Are you done? Are you done, class? No one is answering. Are you done or not?
Done.
Done? Okay. Who will volunteer to share their ideas or insight in front? Yes, July. Come in front, July.
Recyclable materials is very important because it is useful and can be displayed in our house.
Okay, very good, July. Thank you for that wonderful answer. Give July 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who else will volunteer to share their ideas? Yes, Patrick, please come in front.
Recyclable materials will make people have a clean environment. If it can be recycled, and it will make the community creative.
Okay, very good, Patrick. Let's give Patrick 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, since we've done a lot of activity today, and I have been discussed the lesson to you, let's test your remembering. Again, I will ask again. What was our lesson today? Who will volunteer? Yes? recycling waste materials? Again, who will volunteer to answer? Its importance is it can help our environment and it can be reduces air pollution or anything else that can help our earth. Now, I have here a glass. I have here a metal, a plastic, a paper, and a wood. This column, you will need to paste again the pictures. I will test your remembering again. You will need to paste this picture that I have been presented. I will present to you to its corresponding column. Do you understand? Okay. Okay, for the first picture. For the first picture, who can put it into its corresponding column? Yes, Princess. Please come forward. Okay, very good, Princess. For another picture. Yes, July. Now for the third picture. Yes, John Mark. Okay. For the last picture. Yes, oh yes, okay. Please come forward. Okay. Now I can guarantee that indeed you understand our lesson for today. Okay, class, please give 5 claps to those who answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, again, class, please get your 1/2 crosswise. Again, let's have a quiz time. I will give you again an answer sheet. All you need to do is to answer what indicates in this answer sheet. Okay? Please pass it forward. Pass backward. Rather. I mean, it's not forward, it's backward rather. Okay, I will read the instruction, class. In test 1 for the identification, in your paper or in your paper rather, you need to identify the given pictures. If it is recycled metal, plastic, wood, or paper, write the correct answer in the blank provided before the number. If the picture, class, is a recycled metal, you need to write recycled metal in the blank. If it is plastic or recycled plastic, you need to write recycled plastic. Or if it is wood or recycled paper. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't hear you. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start answering within 2 minutes. Are you done, class?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
please pass your papers forward. Okay, now, before you go to your home, I will give you an assignment. materials. You need to create it's just a simple recycled product using what are those materials again? Wood, plastic, paper,